Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to show you fastest hair growth formula ever. This magical formula grows hair overnight, my friends. Just apply it before you sleep and your hair will grow fastest than ever. But before we start out, my friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective remedies. And the first thing we'll need is 1 full cup of peppermint leaves. And peppermint, it stimulates the hair growth like magic, my friends. Peppermint stimulates blood circulation to our scalp, which allows our hair to receive more nutrients and consequently grow stronger and faster. So now we need to place the 1 cup of peppermint into the food processor or a blender like so, my friends, and then we need to add on it 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Use the market aloe vera gel or the natural aloe vera gel, whichever available for you, my friends, and whichever you prefer. Then we'll need to add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and here using parachute coconut oil. And then we'll need to juice all the ingredients together like so, my friends. After we juice all the ingredients like so, my friends, we'll need to strain it to get the juice. And then we'll need to add 1 egg white and crack the egg and separate the egg yolk from the egg white and add 1 egg white. Egg white is full of protein and it helps a lot in hair growth. Then mix all the ingredients very, very well. You need to apply it into the scalp before you sleep, my friends. You need to apply this and you need to leave it overnight in order to get fastest hair growth, and massage the scalp with it and leave it with a shower cap. Peppermint stimulates blood circulation to our scalp, which allows our hair to receive more nutrients and consequently grow fastest ever. So after massaging your scalp with this formula, leave it overnight, my friends. Repeat this twice a week for fastest hair growth ever. I hope this video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective remedies and also my next video.